Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Who is in your family?
I have a mother, father, and 2 brothers.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
How old is your brother?
He is 10 years old.
Does your family live nearby?
Yes, they live just a few blocks away.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a very big family.
What does your father do?
He is an engineer.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
Do your parents work?
Yes, both of them work.
How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them every weekend.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have 3 cousins.
Do you get along with your cousins?
Yes, we are very close.
Do you spend time with your siblings?
Yes, we play games together.
What do you do with your sister?
We watch movies together.
How do you get along with your siblings?
We get along very well.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My brother is the youngest.
Do you like being the oldest/youngest?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you have family gatherings?
Yes, we have them during holidays.
How often does your family get together?
We get together once a month.
Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, they are a lot of fun.
Do you have a favorite family member?
Yes, my grandmother is my favorite.
Why is your grandmother your favorite?
Because she tells great stories.
Do you spend time with your grandmother?
Yes, I visit her often.
Do you call your parents every day?
Yes, I talk to them every day.
Do you live close to your family?
Yes, we live in the same city.
Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help with cleaning and cooking.
What chores do you do at home?
I do the dishes and vacuum the house.
Do your siblings help with chores?
Yes, we all share the chores.
Do you and your family travel together?
Yes, we go on vacation every year.
Where does your family like to travel?
We like to go to the beach.
Do you enjoy traveling with your family?
Yes, it's always fun.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we have dinner together every Sunday.
What is your favorite family tradition?
I love our Christmas celebration.
Does your family celebrate holidays together?
Yes, we celebrate every holiday together.
Do you argue with your siblings?
Sometimes, but we make up quickly.
How do you solve problems with your family?
We talk and try to understand each other.
Do you think family is important?
Yes, family is the most important.
Do you look like your parents?
Yes, I look a lot like my mother.
Who do you look like in your family?
I look like my father.
Does anyone in your family look like you?
Yes, my sister and I look very similar.
Does your family have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog.
Who takes care of the family pet?
We all take turns taking care of the dog.
Do you enjoy having a pet in the family?
Yes, our dog is like a family member.
Do you go on picnics with your family?
Yes, we go on picnics in the summer.
Where does your family go for picnics?
We go to the park near our house.
Do you like spending time outdoors with your family?
Yes, we love the fresh air.
Do you and your family play games together?
Yes, we play board games every weekend.
What kind of games does your family play?
We play card games and board games.
Do you enjoy playing games with your family?
Yes, it's always a good time.
Do you talk to your siblings about personal things?
Yes, we share everything.
Are you close to your siblings?
Yes, we have a very close relationship.
Do you and your siblings hang out together?
Yes, we go out together often.
Does your family eat meals together?
Yes, we have dinner together every night.
Who cooks in your family?
My mom usually cooks, but sometimes we all help.
Do you help cook meals for your family?
Yes, I help whenever I can.
Do you and your family celebrate birthdays?
Yes, we always have a big party.
What do you do for family birthdays?
We have cake, presents, and play games.
Do you like celebrating birthdays with your family?
Yes, it's always special.
Do you live with any family members?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you plan to live with your family forever?
No, I plan to move out eventually.
How do you feel about living with your family?
I feel happy and comfortable.
Do you and your family watch movies together?
Yes, we watch movies every Friday night.
What kind of movies does your family like?
We like comedy and adventure movies.
Do you enjoy movie nights with your family?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things.
Does your family talk a lot?
Yes, we love talking and sharing stories.
What do you usually talk about with your family?
We talk about our day and our plans.
Do you feel close to your family?
Yes, we are very close.
Do you share your problems with your family?
Yes, I talk to my parents about everything.
How does your family support you?
They always give me advice and help me.
Do you think your family understands you?
Yes, they understand me very well.
Do you and your family celebrate achievements?
Yes, we celebrate with a special dinner.
What kinds of achievements does your family celebrate?
We celebrate graduations and promotions.
Do you think celebrating achievements with family is important?
Yes, it makes the moment more special.
Does your family celebrate cultural holidays?
Yes, we celebrate all of our cultural traditions.
What is your favorite cultural holiday?
I love celebrating our New Year's festival.
Do you participate in family cultural events?
Yes, we all participate together.
Do you and your family exercise together?
Yes, we go for walks and bike rides.
How often does your family exercise together?
We try to exercise together every weekend.
Do you enjoy exercising with your family?
Yes, it's fun and keeps us healthy.
Do you and your family go to church?
Yes, we go every Sunday.
How important is faith in your family?
It's very important to all of us.
Do you enjoy going to church with your family?
Yes, it brings us closer.
Do you have family dinners on special occasions?
Yes, we have big dinners for holidays.
Who cooks the special meals?
Everyone helps with the cooking.
Do you look forward to family dinners?
Yes, they are always enjoyable.
Does your family celebrate anniversaries?
Yes, we celebrate my parents' anniversary every year.
What do you do for family anniversaries?
We have a special dinner and give gifts.
Do you think it's important to celebrate anniversaries?
Yes, it shows appreciation for one another.
Do you talk about your future plans with your family?
Yes, we talk about it all the time.
What kind of future plans do you discuss?
We talk about careers, marriage, and where we want to live.
Do you think your family helps you with your future?
Yes, they give me good advice.
Do you and your family have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, we have a place we go to every month.
What do you like about that restaurant?
The food is delicious and the atmosphere is great.
Do you enjoy eating out with your family?
Yes, it's a nice change from home meals.
Do you have any family photos in your home?
Yes, we have many family pictures on the walls.
Who takes family photos?
We usually hire a photographer for special events.
Do you think family photos are important?
Yes, they help us remember special moments.
Do you and your family volunteer together?
Yes, we volunteer at local events.
What kind of volunteer work do you do?
We help with community cleanups and food drives.
Do you enjoy volunteering with your family?
Yes, it feels good to give back together.
Does your family have any inside jokes?
Yes, we have lots of inside jokes.
What kind of jokes does your family share?
We joke about funny things that happened in the past.
Do you think having jokes brings your family closer?
Yes, it makes us laugh and feel connected.
Do you have a family reunion every year?
Yes, we have a big reunion every summer.
Who organizes the family reunion?
My aunt organizes everything.
Do you enjoy family reunions?
Yes, I love seeing all my relatives.
Do you share family recipes?
Yes, we have recipes passed down from my grandmother.
What is your favorite family recipe?
I love our family's apple pie recipe.
Do you cook family recipes on special occasions?
Yes, we always use them for holidays.
Do you think family is more important than friends?
Yes, family is always there for you.
Do you think family is the most important part of life?
Yes, family comes first.
Do you feel supported by your family?
Yes, they are always there for me.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!